Now let us discuss the concept of finding the solution of an equation from the graph. That means we have represented the equation on a graph, and we know that as it is a linear equation, it will always represent a straight line. So whenever we have a linear equation, let the standard form of the equation be ax plus by is equal to c, and if we plot this equation on the graph, it will always represent a straight line, because we know that a linear equation when plotted will result into a straight line. Suppose this is the graph, this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. And if we want to find the solution of this equation from the graph, we should know that all the points on the line are representing the solution for the equation, because whenever all the points that lie on the line are basically the solutions of the equation. And if we want to find a particular solution, let us suppose we have value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and suppose we are trying to find the value of the solution when y is 4. We will take a line perpendicular to the y-axis, or we can say parallel to x-axis, wherever this line cuts the graph. That is the point P where the line meets the graph. We will and from that point we will draw a perpendicular to the x-axis. Let this be the point S, suppose Z. So this is the value of the x, or we can say let it be 1, 2, 3, and let this value be 4, and this be 5, and this be 6. So we can say the solution is 4, 4, because when y was 4, we have drawn a perpendicular for the value y is equal to 4, the line which was parallel to x-axis. It met the line at point P. From P we draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis. It met the x-axis at point Z, and at that point the value was 4. So the x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is 4. So 4, 4 is the solution for this equation. Or we can say that from the graph we can find the solution to be 4, 4. Similarly, if I want to find a solution when y is equal to 3, I will draw a line from 3 which is parallel to the x-axis. Let us suppose it cuts the line at Q. From Q we will draw a perpendicular. Let us suppose it meets the x-axis at point this. Suppose this is point M. So M is the and the value at the x-axis when M is maybe 4.8. So we can say that the solution for the equation are 4.8, 3, because 4.8 is the value of the x and 3 is the value of the y. So this is how we can find the solutions from the graph that has been plotted, and for different values of y we can find the value of x. Similarly, for different values of x we can find the value of y. For example, if I try to find the value when x is equal to 6, from this point I will take a line parallel to the y-axis. Let us suppose it cuts the line at point Z, P, Q and R. Let it cut at R. From R we will draw a line parallel to the x-axis. Suppose it meets the point y-axis at point N. So N is the value at N is, let us suppose it is somewhere around 0.8. So we can say the solution will be 6, 0.8. So this is how we can find the different solutions. That means what we have done, we have first assumed y to be 4 and we have drawn a line parallel to the x-axis. It met the line at P, and from P we draw a line parallel to the y-axis. It cut the x-axis at point Z, and the value of x at point Z is equal to 4. So the solution was 4, 4. We have tried to find another solution when y is equal to 3. What we have done? We have taken y is equal to 3. From 3 we draw a line parallel to the x-axis. It met the graph at point Q, because now this line is parallel to the x-axis. From Q we draw a line parallel to y-axis. It cut the x-axis at point M, and the value at M is 4.8. So the solution was 4.8, 3, because y was at this point the x is 4.8 and y is 3. Similarly at this point x is 4 and y is also 4. Similarly we have tried to find the third solution, but in this case we have assumed the value of x. So what we have done, we have taken as x is equal to 6. So from point 6 we draw a line parallel to y-axis. Let us suppose this line cuts the graph at point R. So we will try to find the value of y at R. For that we will draw a line parallel to y-axis, parallel to x-axis. Let us suppose it cuts the x-axis cuts the y-axis at point N. So we can say now for 6 we reached point R, so the x coordinate is 6, and now we have found the value of N to be 0.8, so the solution for the graph is 6, 0.8. So this is how we can find the solution of the equation for the from the graph by assuming one value, that means either x or y, and then we will find the other value of, if we have assumed x we will try to find y, and if we have assumed y we will try to find x, because all the points on the line or we can say all the points on the graph that we have plotted are the solutions of the linear equation.